Now I would like to call Irfan Yusuf for Naat Maqbool Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya sayyidi ya Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. آپ سا دونوں جہاں میں نظر آیا ہی نہیں، آپ سا دونوں جہاں میں نظر آیا ہی نہیں، کیونکہ نے کوئی اور بنایا ہی نہیں، آپ سا دونوں جہاں میں نظر آیا ہی نہیں، آپ نے جب سے رسول اللہ، میں نے دامن کسی چوکھٹ پہ بچھایا ہی نہیں، میں نے دامن کسی چوکھٹ پہ بچھایا ہی نہیں، آپ سا دونوں جہاں میں نظر آیا ہی نہیں، جب کہا قبر میں جب کہا قبر میں سرکار نے کہ یہ میرا ہے، پھر نکیروں نے مجھے ہاتھ لگایا ہی نہیں، پھر نکیروں نے مجھے ہاتھ لگایا ہی نہیں، کوئی محبوب کا محبوب کا ثانی نہ محب کا ہمسر، کوئی محبوب کا ثانی نہ محب کا ہمسر، ایک کا جسم نہیں ایک کا سایہ ہی نہیں۔
Moving further, I would like to invite HOD of English Department and our beloved teacher Saravez to to give you the introduction of this Pearson Assured Certificate Distribution Ceremony. Give a big round of applause for Sir Awais.
Thank you very much, Ms. Misbah, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, and a very warm welcome to Pearson Assured Certificate Distribution Ceremony held at and organized by NICON Group of Colleges. I am Muhammad Awais, head of the English department, NICON Group of Colleges. I would like to start with a formal introduction of NICON. I'm pleased to inform you that NICON is one of the leading chains of institutes in Twin Cities, having its branches in Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Its academic heritage can be traced back since 1984. NICON is proud to be a pioneer institute in Twin Cities for offering international curriculum of Edexcel UK. NICON has the honor to be the proud academic partner of British Council, which is the fastest growing multi-campus training institute in Rawalpindi and Islamabad. NICON specializes in offering short-term and long-term IT courses, linguistic courses, technical and vocational courses, accounting courses, and management science courses. Its educational heritage can also be traced back since 1995, as it is considered to be a pioneer for introducing international qualification and certification in Pakistan. NICON has the honor to be a pioneer in offering H&D qualification of Edexcel UK in Pakistan, which are also recognized by the HEC, that is Higher Education Commission, as equivalent to a 2 years bachelor's degree in the relevant field. The group is determined to continue striving hard for arranging and ensuring comprehensive opportunities for the students related to their educational and personal development through its appropriate supporting learning environment. Now let's move towards an introduction of Pearson Assured and the courses that NICON offers which are affiliated with Pearson Assured. With over 100 years of education and training experience in over 100 countries, Pearson has the expertise and authority to audit, benchmark, and independently verify your quality processes against world-class standards. Pearson assures vigorous quality, and so does NICON. And the qualifications are widely taught, recognized, and respected throughout the world. And the standards we apply here at NICON are the same standards provided by the Pearson Assured services. The certificates that we issue may be verified and attested from Pearson UAE, British Council, and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. These certificates are for individual learners, corporate training providers, corporations with in-house programs, educational institutions, professional bodies, and public sector organizations. Some organizations we work with are Babcock, iTech, BT, McDonald's, and Fly. Over 5,400 international education institutions are included in this list. Recognition of these certificates is wide throughout the world, particularly in the Middle East and Gulf countries for job purposes. More precisely in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and UAE, and lots of other countries. There are unlimited learning opportunities for students to choose from a wide range of courses approved by Government of Dubai. There are no time and place constraints for students. These courses provide flexible and self-paced learning environment which enables the students to complete their courses at their own pace. Not only that, but also these programs are highly cost-effective. NICON offers 6-month certificate programs, and we also offer diploma programs and advanced diploma programs of 1 year duration each. That was a short introduction of NICON Group of Colleges and Pearson Assured certificates. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed Ghori.
Honorable guests, respected dignitaries, Chair, students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I'm extremely honored and feel immense pleasure to be here this afternoon and to address the young students of this prestigious institute, which is not only spreading education through NICON, skill development program and platform to overcome the surging and soaring unemployment in Pakistan, striving their strength and wisdom day and night to enhance education, and resulting more than 20 branches in Pakistan and crossing the boundaries to another countries. Our affiliation with the best organizations of the UK and Australia, like Pearson, and as this gentleman has very well explained you regarding these courses and affiliation effect. Pearson is an autonomous UK largest education and awarding body. This means that your certificates and diplomas, which are certified by Pearson, having a weightage and impact because of the foreign country. No doubt if you are getting any education in any countries like Pakistan, have some value, but when it is attested by the bodies like UK and Pearson, means your value increased. As I have been to many countries, I worked, I studied there, I knew the value of education when it is from the foreign countries. So you are lucky that you have got this chance here in Pakistan. These certificates and diplomas having immense chance of employment, particularly in Middle East. थोड़ा सा मैं आपको उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. मैंने क्योंकि बाहर बहुत सी कंट्रीज़ में काम किया हुआ है, पढ़ा भी हूँ, मैं वैल्यू एजुकेशन की और इसकी जो सर्टिफिकेशंस होती है, जैसे मैं बाहर से पढ़ा हूँ, मैं कहीं भी इसको अप्लाई करता हूँ, मुझे 1 सेकंड में जॉब मिल जाती है. क्यों? फॉरेन कंट्रीज़. पाकिस्तान माशाल्लाह हर चीज़ में नंबर 1 है, नो डाउट एट ऑल, लेकिन एक वैल्यू बन गई है. और वैल्यू जो है वो ज़ाहिर है हम थोड़ा सा पीछे रह गए हैं. इसमें अमेरिकन्स, ब्रिटिशर्स, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ये हमसे लीड कर गए हैं, इसलिए उनकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. और फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में जब आप जाते हो तो अगर आपकी अटेस्टेशन इवन बहुत वैल्यू मैटर करती है, तो ये एजुकेशन सर्टिफिकेशन सिस्टम जो है इसका बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है. आपने ज़रा यहाँ पे जो पढ़ाया जाता है वो बहुत अच्छी और मेहनत से पढ़ाते हैं, अटेस्टेशन ऐसे नहीं हो जाती है, इसके पीछे एक पूरी बैकग्राउंड होती है. So through H&D and IT language, and as the sir has explained you very well, we are having many faculties and courses. I also teach here hotel management beside the other courses as well. Hotel management, as it has been mentioned already, that I've done this from Australia and from Marriott. And I've been working there in Marriott as well. It's a growing industry, no doubt at all, as far as the job is concerned. बहुत इसमें स्कोप है. आप लोग होटल मैनेजमेंट को भी ज्वाइन कीजिए, सीखिए. और ये होटल मैनेजमेंट का कोर्सेज अगर 4 साल का है, 3 साल का है, किसी का 2 साल का है, किसी का let me assure, because I'm a practical person, ये जो हमने इसको बनाया है ये आपको 3 month में वो कुछ सिखा देते हैं जो आप 1 साल 2 साल में सीखते. होटल में आपकी थ्योरी कम से कम होती है, ये चीज़ ध्यान में रखिए, वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकल का काम ज़्यादा होता है. तो ये जो होटल मैनेजमेंट इज़ आल्सो वेरी सक्सेसफुल लर्निंग program which has great opportunities in hotel industries. The program which we are offering are matching the degree level, as I told you. In terms of subject and knowledge, it is very carefully prepared for job purpose, which includes all the hotel departments and management system. Institutes play a vital role. One has to understand this. The basic platform is very much important. As far as the Pakistan is concerned, and we are attached with this prestigious institute, NICON is offering a very, very good education. जो टीचर्स हैं माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह वो बहुत हाईली क्वालिफाइड, बड़ी मेहनत से प्रोग्राम तैयार किए जाते हैं, और जो हमारी मैनेजमेंट बॉडी है वो भी वेल एजुकेटेड है. बाज़ प्रोग्राम्स, बाज़ इंडस्ट्रीज़, बाज़ इंस्टीट्यूट जिनके पास पैसा होता है वो लोग शुरू कर देते हैं. उनको नॉलेज नहीं होती, उनको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता. जैसे हमारा मिनिस्टर्स को अगर बना दें किसी आम आदमी, बोले मेडिकल या हमारा जो उसको चला नहीं सकता, उसको पता नहीं मेडिकल फील्ड क्या है, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट फॉर एग्जाम्पल. तो यहाँ पे माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह डॉक्टर्स, PhD डॉक्टर्स हैं माशाल्लाह. डॉक्टर आतिफ एंड डॉक्टर काशिफ मस्ट मेंशन. मैम चेयरपर्सन है, वो वेरी हाईली क्वालिफाइड है, वो भी सरजाज हैं. तो ये एक पूरा जो सिस्टम बैकग्राउंड है, ये भी आप समझें कि ये जो इनको लेके चल रहे हैं वो इस सिस्टम को समझते हैं. So that's why I used to say the institute plays a very vital role in shaping the student's career and grooming their personality. It provides the ground and field where you sow seed in shape of education. At the end, once again, I express my gratitude to the management and to the staff, and especially I want to mention, sir is not here, and the way they are spreading this education through development, skill development. There is a two part. एक होता है academic education, एक होती है technical education. दोनों की value अपनी जगह पे है, लेकिन आजकल job is very much important. Beside your, like doctors, you have to spend about 15 years to be a good doctor. Engineers, you have to spend maybe 10 years to be a good engineer. तब जाके आपको कोई इतना पैसा खर्च करेंगे, फिर आपको कोई job मिलेगी. तो ये जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स हैं, इसमें आप कम से कम पैसे के साथ कम से कम पीरियड में एक अच्छी जॉब ले सकते हैं. आई शो यू दैट. थैंक यू वेरी मच, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.